Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be putting a hardwire jumper lead on my 2005 F550. I was going to use it on one of those two other trucks over there, but it just didn't seem to want to work right. This has got two nice bolts like that. The other trucks don't have that. So I should be able to just bolt into that and it should work great. So I have to jump start a combine here because it won't start and I need to get it out for getting my snowplow for our Ranger out. So let's see how difficult this is. I'll try and get it routed somewhat all right. It's kind of tight in here, so I'll have to see how that goes. But yeah, I'll get the leads run and we'll see if we can get this to work. All right, well, I got those run. Just kind of loop my ground cable there a little bit so that they would even out. Notice my battery cables were a little loose, so I'm hoping that fixed my starting issue too. But I just ran them down there. There's a little chase I kind of found. I don't know, hopefully it'll work pretty good. And the connection's just right in front of the bumper here. So kind of goes up into there. Hopefully it'll be all right. Guess if not, I'll find out the hard way. But yeah, I got this on. So now I need to go jump start the combine. The wind really picked up here, so it got kind of chilly out. But we'll go see if these work now. So I should be able to just clip these together. I don't know how well I'll be able to film this, but there's a little positive on the inside and they just lock together like that. And I did notice that these are not connected, so I'm gonna have to maybe try and find some big wire loom or tape all them together. So they are 30-foot leads, so I don't have to get nearly as close to things I need to jump. The combine battery is in here, so trying to do all this one-handed isn't exactly the easiest. So try and connect this. Might be connected to something. And I'll go into the positive there. Pull my flashlight out. Check to see. Well, I guess my video cut out, so I'll have to do some checking to see what that all caught. Well, the ground came off. There's not the best ground connection, so we'll just stick that in here somehow. I think I got that now. We'll see. Looks like it's kind of connected to something, so I'll put the camera down here and we'll see if we can get it to start. cables weren't great. But I'll let this thing warm up, and then I'll pull this out of the shop here to fuel up, and so I can get my plow. So if you were wondering what this kit is, it's a NOONE jumper cable kit. I got it off of Amazon. Don't remember what gauge these wires are, but I think it's a 1 or 2 gauge. But there's a little positive and negative on both sides. This only connects one way, so you can't really screw it up. But came with a little miscellaneous bolt kit if you don't have the right connections on your vehicle. I didn't need to use any of these on mine, which was pretty nice. I came with a little cheap set of gloves, but came with a nice bag. So I'm gonna have to tape these leads together so it's not just all crazy like that. But it worked great getting the combine started. So yeah, I'll get that out and all that, and I'm gonna keep prepping for winter. So I think this is gonna be one video on its own, so hope you liked it. It's a kind of install. Wasn't the best areas to film, so install and first use of the NOONE hardwired jumper cable kit. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.